Welcome back to my channel. I've got my morning cup of coffee, but actually it's not really morning, it's night right now. It's totally night time. I am in LA right now. I saw some of your comments where you said you're missing my traveling vlogs. I'm missing making my traveling vlogs because I'm not able to travel, but hey, I've been traveling a lot around Singapore. Sorry, wait. My order just went through. As I said, I'm in LA. This is my last day or night here, so I had to order my Starbucks order, which is the chickpea bites. It's like a ready to go box, so I take it on my flights because I'm vegetarian. And then I order cake pop. I've been trying to order the fox shaped cake pop since so many layovers, but I do not seem to get it, so let's hope today we'll get it. And then of course I got my pinkity drinkity. We can cancel James Charles, but let's not cancel his favorite drink because pink drink actually is good and it does not contain caffeine. I ordered Jack in the Box. Oh my god, my eyes are like red. Before sleeping off, let's see if it's still crunchy. It's fried food, so it works. Okay. Recently I went island hopping in Singapore. I did not know you could do that, and this is not available on any of the travel websites because when we came as tourists, I had no idea you could do this. You go to a place and only for $13, which is very cheap for island hopping like that. You can go to these 3 islands that Singapore owns: Lazarus Island, St. John's Island and Kusu Island. There's nothing on the islands, no food available. You just go there, chill out, hang out. You have to bring everything by yourself. Me and another friend went, we bought sandwiches and all, and it was so much fun. Ooh, then I've also been going out and about by myself, but it's been so long that I've been out by myself that, you know, you just don't get used to it. So I was out for some work and I decided to have a day by myself. So I went to the Singapore Museum, Singapore Gallery, and it was quite nice. There was nobody there, it was all quiet, so I was like, oh my god. But it's quite interesting. It's actually their parliament, which they renovated and made into the Singapore National Gallery, and now the parliament is another building. Hi everyone! I just got back from a training, so I'm super exhausted. I went to the grocery store on the way back and I saw this Korean store which I've never seen. It's a new Korean store. Different international foods, so easy to find here. I'm very blessed about that. Okay, so first of all, it's called Kmart, and guys, it was amazing. First of all, I found these papad, which I'm hoping are like the papad we can find in India on the streets. I'll just put some black pepper masala and stuff and eat it. I really hope it's gonna be like that. Let's see. Then you won't believe it. I found the viral Korean cheese dogs, corn dogs, but guess what? This is all cheese. Usually it's always meat, but I found it in the cheese variant. She said it's only cheese, and I'm so super excited to test it out. It's called double tiramisu. Have you seen those condensed milk little snacks that you can find on YouTube, those soothing ASMR cooking videos where they're not talking, they're just cooking? So I really wanted to give it a try. Squid Game recently, in it they talk about tteokbokki. The main character makes the daughter eat tteokbokki, and I found the vegetarian kind. Guys, if you have the will, you will find the way. I got their yogurt ice cream. My friend told me this is like really popular in Singapore and it's really yummy, so I'm gonna try that. Okay guys, so I got 3 sauces. I got the honey mustard, obviously. Then I got their ranch sauce, which every American keeps talking about. It's like a tangy mayonnaise. And then I got the creamy avocado lime sauce. This one I'm like, okay. So from Jack in the Box, I got these curly fries. I also got jalapeno poppers, which was basically cheesy mirchi ka pakoda. Then I got these onion rings, which are to die for. They are so perfectly breaded. Also, I've been on such a rush to explore Singapore. I explored this shady area. Okay, let me show you first. This is called a quarry. Okay, I don't even know what quarry is, but watch this first, then I'll tell you the story. So apparently I've been living across. I used to live there from this little quarry, and I showed it to you in one of my vlog, I think, like taking me out on a date by myself vlog, and I saw online that this is actually an actual way. So I'm gonna try to go in, and there's like a beautiful water body. So let's see. So remember, I showed you this. I'm just scared. I don't want any animals to be here. Oh, there are people. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. There are people literally fishing there. Oh, it's like discovering another area in a game. It literally feels like I'm in a jungle or something. People have come here for like picnics. Look behind me. It's actually pretty dirty as well. But the quarry is right there. This is Singapore? I'm sorry, what? This is so beautiful. Please never stop discovering your own city. So I go in, I'm like, oh my god, wow, it's actually quite beautiful. People are fishing. There's another couple who's sitting there, they brought their own chairs. I'm like, oh, so nice. Oh, there's a trail up. Now I thought it's not gonna be too deep in or too... I thought it's just gonna end quickly. Okay, so anyway, alone I wouldn't want to go to these hikes and everything because it's very secluded, but I mean, Singapore, it's pretty safe, right? Also, don't tell this to my mother. So if you're my mom, don't watch this. So I was like, okay, let me just see a bit. I'll explore a bit. So I started walking, and of course the way is not like proper. It's all dusty. So I started going up. There was a guy with a machete and an automated saw, whatever you call that. He was there, and I was walking. I looked up and I just stopped. Then he looked at me. He said, hi, hello. I said, hello. And I was like, okay, where are we? Time to make an exit. So then when I came in, he started packing his stuff. So then he said, well, my work is done now. I better pack and go. I'm like, okay. And then I thought, should I just go see what's there? I was not planning to go. I was like, let me just see what's there. He's like, you know, go get your friends. Why don't you go get your friends before going ahead? I said, no, I just want to see. He said, do you live far away? I said, no, I just live there. You know, you do that. Then he said, you know, girls like you should not go out there alone. There are a lot of weird people there. I was like, yeah, like you probably. Why are you walking around with a machete and an automated saw? I said, but what? Singapore is safe, what? With this conversation, in my head I was like, make an exit, make an exit. So I was kind of like, this is him. I had walked here. In this conversation, I was next to him and then going behind. But while this conversation was going, when he was telling me you shouldn't go like that, all the horror movie scenes were playing in my head that, oh my god, it's gonna be him. That's what happens in movies, right? You know, you should not go in the woods, it's dangerous. And that is the person who kills you because they know what's dangerous. And I said, what is there when you go? He said, no, nothing. You go in, there's a house, a man lives there, only one man. I'm like, okay, shady vibes, shady vibes. And then so we were like this, right? Then slowly I started going like this. I said, okay, then I'll go. And then I just quickly went, and I did not exit from where I entered because I didn't want him to see that I'm on a cycle, and if he's on a motor vehicle and then come after me with a saw. Included, if you saw in the background, there's like not a lot of things there, and okay, sometimes you get overconfident with Singapore safety, but you really shouldn't. Did you know self-defense things are not allowed in Singapore? Like pepper spray and all are not allowed because the government thinks Singapore is so safe that you don't need these. Just call the authorities. So it is safe like that. I went home, I was cycling back home, and on the way I see the guy. So he's probably a construction worker or something because he was in that area and he was wearing his vest at the time, the fluorescent vest. So he was there, and then I was cycling back, and while cycling I don't wear my mask because otherwise it's unhealthy. It's like your lungs will explode because somebody's did, right? So cycling back, he was there. I was like, hey, I just cycled fast next to him, and I was like, whew. So please don't go out in the woods alone, in the forest and jungle in secluded areas. Do not go alone. Even if it's as safe as Singapore, just don't do it, as said by the guy with an automated sword, or what is that called? Guys, I got my Starbucks order. Since I was talking about it, let me just show you the pink drink. But ये ऊपर से ऐसी अजीब क्यों जाती है? Anyways, this is the chickpea bite box I was telling you about. So इसमें carrots है, थोड़े से seeds हैं, और यहाँ पे ना चने की पैटी होती है बेसिकली. कबाब सोचो, चने का कबाब और एवोकाडो डिप. तो ये बहुत अच्छा होता है, और ये देखो कैरी करने के लिए कितना अच्छा. तो मैं फ्लाइट पे ये ले जाती हूँ. एंड देन द मोमेंट इज क्या इनको फॉक्स केक पॉप मिला. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, अगर वो आपका ऑर्डर नहीं ला सकते ना, तो वो रिप्लेसमेंट ले आएंगे. ऐसे नहीं कि ये तो है ही नहीं, कैंसिल है, वो रिप्लेसमेंट ले आते हैं. सो ओह माय गॉड, एव, उनको केक पॉप मिल गया, बट इट लुक्स सो अगली. मैं फोटो लगाती हूँ साइड में कि कैसा होना चाहिए, और ये ऐसा मिला. बट एनीवे, इट स्मेल्स सो स्वीट. ओह माय गॉड. this is my last night here in LA, and I'm very excited to go back because I've stayed in the hotel room long enough. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. Stay safe, stay subscribed, and follow me on Instagram. I've been doing 9 days of Navratri there, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.